Hi y'all, this is Erin from BoodleBox Success, and I wanted to talk to you today about creating a webinar quickly and easily with BoodleBox. I decided that my mom's group needed some help creating summer plans. So I asked Kids Exercise Bot first, because I knew that's where we were going, to give me some activities to suggest during a webinar for moms. So I got a starting point to create my webinar. I then took that, and if you're not familiar, I added another bot to the conversation. You can add a bot to the conversation by clicking right here, and then either choosing from the library listed here, or starting to type, and BoodleBox will actually suggest for you the best bot for your discussion. That being said, I asked Webinar Plan Bot to create a webinar for me using the above content. What's the objective? It asked me a couple questions. I answered, and then I answered a little bit more. So intentionally interactive. If you want your answers shortened, you can always just tell the bot to go with what it has. So you're allowed to do that. The bot will not be insulted. But it gave me a 30-minute session targeting moms of elementary school children for that webinar. So it gave me an intro. I can actually take this, pop it right into my slide deck, and be able to create a webinar with much less fuss than I might have before. Finally, I wanted to ask my friend Rhonda, who's on the committee for it with me, if that would work for her. So I did something called cross chat, where I typed in a little note, and it was able to pop up with my voice, so adding me to the conversation and not just the bots. Finally, I can share this with her using the share chat link, and that will actually bring Rhonda into the conversation as well. So something that might have taken multiple emails, lots of trips down Google rabbit holes, actually just took me about 2 minutes to create. And now I have a place to start to help the moms in my community have a much better summer.